Hello everyone, for the 6th standard SSD we have started chapter 2 from the history. The trail of earliest human. Okay, so in that we have learned about the how the people were choosing their places to live, making stone tools, finding out the fire which make it their life easy. Then changing environment means the climate has been changed, the possibilities of growing the different kinds of crops. Okay. Then also we have seen about the names and dates which differentiate the period of time. So first is the Paleolithic period, 2 billion years ago. Then there is a Mesolithic period, 10,000 years ago. And then there is a next was there that is Neolithic period of time. Okay. So now we are having the another topic, means another topic in the sense ki what is the next from for them. Means first they make the stone tools, then they invented the fire, then they started growing the crops, they have the permanent places like that. Now rock painting and what they tell us means in the leisure time, means they don't have any other, they hunt the animals then eat, and then they whatever the spare time what they were having, what they were used it. So many of the caves in which these early human lived have painting on the walls. Okay, some of the best example are from Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh. These paintings show wild animals drawn with the great accuracy and skill. So means they whatever they saw. Suppose if they are hunting any animals, so whatever they are watching, they just carve on in the cave on the wall. Okay, but it was the paintings are of the wild animals and drawn with the great accuracy and skill. So who did what? We have seen that earliest people hunted, gather, plant produce, made stone tools and painting on cave wall. Is there any way of finding out whether women hunted or men made stone tools, whether women painted or men gathered food, nuts, what? Means as a women and the children were there in the earlier past of time. So there is any evidence that man hunted or a woman hunted, man gather fruit or woman gather food. So what they were doing is who draw the on the wall, man or woman. That is there any evidence of it? So at present we do not really know now. Means we don't know who had done that. But whomsoever, men or women from the earlier time, they were did like that. However, three are at least two possibilities. It is likely that both man and women may have done many of these things together. And it's not like that man has done, women didn't do anything. Might be they both have done these jobs, these things they have done together, I think. Okay, it is possibly that some tasks were done only by women and other only by men. Suppose if you see the strength, so if somebody wants to hunt the animal, so the strength will be from shows by the man mostly. So might be man hunted the animals and women gathered the fruits, nuts. Okay, it might be happen like this. Painting can be done by the women and men both. Okay, and again there could be have been different practice in different parts of subcontinent. Ostriches in India. So ostriches were found in India during the Paleolithic period, means the first period where we were talking yesterday. That Paleolithic period, the first was about 12,000 years ago. So ostrich were found from that period of time. Large quantities of ostrich egg shells were found in Patna in Maharashtra. Designs were carved on some pieces while beads were also made of them. Means the ostrich found in from the Paleolithic period. So you can imagine that from that period of time the ostrich were there, and their eggs and their shells, eggshells were found in the area of Patna in Maharashtra. And while beads means that is used for making the jewelries, that is also made with that. So a closer look, Hunshi. Find the Hunchal map too. A number of early Paleolithic sites were found here. At some site, a large number of tools used for all sorts of activities were found. These were probably habitation cum factory site. In some of other smaller sites, there is evidence to suggest that tools were made. Some of the sites were closer to springs. Most tools were made for the limestone, which was locally available. Means this Himshi is the place where the early human were living over there. The place is habitation cum factory site was there, where the people were making the tools from the stones. More majorly, they were making with the limestone, which was available from that period of time. So elsewhere, find France in your atlas. The painting below is from cave in France. If you see this painting, this is one of the painting which is found in France. Okay. This site was discovered by four school children more than 100 years ago. Means more than 100 years ago, this site has been discovered by the school children. Paintings like this were made between 20 and 10,000 years ago. Many of these were animals such as wild horses, or older wild form of cattle, bison, woolly rhinoceros, reindeer, and bear painted in bright colors. Means if you see that if those colors used in that those animals has been done, so you can see that you can imagine that that period of time these animals were there. These colors was made from the minerals like orge or iron ore and charcoal. Means whatever the colors used in that period of time, you can imagine from the 20,000 years ago, this kind of colors they used, and they make this colors from iron ore, charcoal, and ochre. It is possible that these paintings were done on ceremonial occasion. Means might be there is any ceremony or something like that in that period of time they have made this kind of painting, or perhaps they were made for the special rituals performed by hunter before went search for prey. Can you think any other reason? Is there any other, means apart from this occasionally or any special rituals, might be they doing any spending their leisure time when they are wanting to have this drawing and carving. Okay, so this is we have learned about this chapter, we have seen about this chapter, read this chapter, and whatever the questions I have given to you to solve it, you can find the answer from this. Okay. So this is we have done this chapter. Okay. Uh, this period of time you need to remember that first is Paleolithic period, which is about 12,000 years ago. Then Mesolithic period, that is from 10,000 years ago, and then is a Neolithic period of time. Okay, this is very important that you need to have. Then we have seen about the Hunshi. This is it's given Hunski. Okay, this is the place where they have the habitation come factory sites, okay, which is a very important part of their life. So people were carving on the walls because might be they follow any ritual or for any occasion they were painting it. Might be any other reason, have like they spending their leisure time in a such a way that they enjoy. Okay, so this is we have learned about this. Thank you and have a nice day.